This Pilates fitness ring is a circle designed to help tone your inner thighs, arms, and core with simple yet effective resistance exercises. It's a great addition to your home workouts and is easy to use for both beginners and pros. These yoga knee pads come in a set of 2 and are perfect for cushioning your knees or elbows during yoga, Pilates, or even floor exercises. They make things much more comfortable, especially if you're on hard surfaces. This vibration plate machine adds an extra level to your workouts with its powerful vibrations and included loop bands. It's great for activating muscles, boosting circulation, and even helping with fat loss. This hip thrust belt is padded and slip resistant, designed to make hip thrusts more comfortable, whether you're using dumbbells, kettlebells, or plates. It's ideal for both gym and home workouts. This running belt fanny pack is slim, lightweight, and holds your phone securely while you run or work out. It's designed for both men and women, and stays put even during high movement activities. These elbow wraps are a pair of long compression straps that give your elbows solid support during weightlifting or bench presses. They also help with joint stability and relief from conditions like tendinitis. This treadmill mat set includes 6 anti-slip pads to go under your gym equipment. They help keep everything in place and protect your floor, whether it's carpet or hardwood. These resistance bands are heavy-duty with handles, perfect for full-body strength training, yoga, or simple home workouts. They're great for both men and women looking to stay active. This hanging exercise mat is a commercial-grade mat with reinforced holes, so you can easily hang it up when not in use. It's ideal for group classes, gyms, or home workouts if you want to save space. This gym wall rack gives you 8 solid hooks to neatly hang your resistance bands, jump ropes, lifting belts, and more. It keeps your workout area tidy and your gear always within reach. This Nordic curl strap lets you set up in just a few seconds and is perfect for hamstring curls at home or when traveling. It's compact but effective for targeting the back of your legs. These yoga blocks come in a set of 2 and are made of lightweight foam that doesn't slip or smell. They're great for stretching, balance, or adding support during your yoga or Pilates routine. This push-up board is a foldable push-up system with built-in handles and multiple positioning options. It's designed to help you target different muscle groups more effectively at home. This mini stability ball is small but powerful and works wonders for improving your core strength and balance. It's especially handy for Pilates and gentle stretching sessions. This lat and lift pulley system comes with dual cables and an upgraded loading pin for smooth triceps pull-downs, bicep curls, and more. It's perfect for turning your home into a functional cable gym. This resistance bands set is a versatile option for working out your legs, biceps, and whole body. Whether you're strength training or doing rehab, these bands make your sessions more effective. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos by pressing the bell icon.